YouTube channel. As I promised you everything about the Python, machine learning, data science, data analysis with Python, you are going to learn from this channel. And dear friends, today we are going to learn how to install Python on our machine, in our Windows. To install the Python and connect Python with VS Code, because VS Code one of my favorite code editor, because the codes we are going to write on VS Code. So that's why to download, to install this, both of them on our machine, on our computer, what we need to do, just you need to go to your web browser, open web browser and search Python. Python just already appear here. You have just enter button, press enter. You have here the official site of Python organization, Python programming language. This one is the official site of Python programming language. Press this one and you will come here straight away. This is the interface of Python programming language. Leave them as it is, just press the download button, and here now you have the latest version of Python programming language. This is exactly the version that we are going to learn, we are going to install on our machine, 3.13.1. Just press this button, and here difference you see, as you see here, now it's going to download, it's going to install, it's going to download the latest version on our machine. Just press this button, minimize the screen. Now installation. Here, use admin privilege when installing py. Yeah, of course, because I'm the admin. I'm the owner of this computer and this is my machine. Yes, this one we need. Press this. Add Python X. Path, yes. Yes. And then now, customize an installation. Choose location and features. Yes, this one. Optional feature. Documentation. Pip. Pip is going to just tick this one, because this one in future you are going to install some libraries which are essential in your machine, like pandas, numpys, any kind of library which are exist already in Python. Then this one will, by the pip, you will install all the library in your machine. Ideally, then you will learn about this more. Python test suite, leave them all. Automatically, these are already ticked. Leave them as it is. The next, here, advanced option. Install Python 3.13 for all users. Yes, we need this one. The other, leave them as it is. Then install. Now here, do you want to install? Do you want to install? Is this app allowed to install on your machine? Yes, of course. The setup progress. Just a few moments till it will install on your machine. Dear friend, congratulations! You have already installed Python successfully in your system. Close. And to be sure that you have already installed Python on your machine, on your computer, the search button, just write cmd command prompt, open command prompt. Here, just write Python space hyphen hyphen version. Yes, yeah, I exactly now now I am sure that I have installed Python on my machine, because now you see that Python 3.13 is installed successfully on your machine. Okay, close this one, and guys, now we are gonna install IDE VS Code. Okay, to install VS Code, the same as that we have installed already the Python, just write VS Code. It's already there, just present it. We are going to install this. This is Visual Studio Code. So just press your code editor. Yes, exactly the one which we want. Download. How you want to download, and for what machine you are going to download. As I'm using Windows 11, that I need exactly this one. Just I'm going to press this download button. It's going to download for me here. It's almost 100 MB. It's already installed. To open, minimize the screen. Now, license agreements. Accept agreements. Yes, license agreement. Visual Studio Code are going to ask you that you're going to agree. You're agree with the installation of this application in your system. Yes, I accept. I'm agree. Next, the path. We are going to install the VS Code. Leave as it is. Already, it's a good place. It's a good in Drive C. Next, yes, that's perfect folder. VS Code, yes. Create a desktop icon. Select additional tasks. That's gonna ask you. Yes, additional icon. Create a desktop icon for me. Yeah, I like this one. Add open with code action to Windows Explorer file. Yes. Add open with code. Yes, both. Then next, install. Prepare to install. Hey dear friend, congratulations! Now you have already installed even Visual Studio Code on your machine. Okay, finish. Now, this is the time to start writing our first line of code. This one is VS Code. It's opened for me. Now to open a project, to create a project, just here, this is the interface of Visual Studio Code, VS Code. We will learn step by step all this, but this everything is mentioned here even. You have here even. But to create a project, just press the open folder, but I'm not gonna create from here. Just I'm gonna minimize this one, create a project here, and the name, create a folder, name Python first project. Okay,